Welcome to Networks Professional, the Cisco Networking Academy. Discuss various information security laws and regulations. Laws are a system of rules and guidelines that are enforced by a particular country or community to govern behavior. A standard is a document established by consensus and approved by a recognized body that provides, for common and repeated use, rules, guidelines, or characteristics for activities or their results, aimed at the achievement of the optimum degree of order in a given context. Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard, PCI DSS. The Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard, PCI DSS, is a proprietary information security standard for organizations that handle cardholder information for the major debit, credit, prepaid, ePurse, ATM, and POS cards. This standard offers robust and comprehensive standards and supporting materials to enhance payment card data security. ISO/IC 27001:2013. IC 27001:2013 specifies the requirements for establishing, implementing, maintaining, and continually improving an information security management system within the context of an organization. It includes requirements for the assessment and treatment of information security risks tailored to the needs of the organization. Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, HIPAA. The HIPAA privacy rule provides federal protections for the individually identifiable health information held by covered entities and their business associates and gives patients an array of rights to that information. At the same time, the privacy rule permits the disclosure of health information needed for patient care and other necessary purposes. Sarbanes-Oxley Act, SOX. Enacted in 2002, the Sarbanes-Oxley Act aims to protect the public and investors by increasing the accuracy and reliability of corporate disclosures. The key requirements and provisions of SOX are organized into 11 titles. Title 1, Public Company Accounting Oversight Board, CAB. Title 2, Auditor Independence. Title 3, Corporate Responsibility. Title 4, Enhanced Financial Disclosures. Title V, Analyst Conflicts of Interest. Title 6, Commission Resources and Authority. Title 7, Studies and Reports. Title 7, Studies and Reports. Title 8, Corporate and Criminal Fraud Accountability. Title 9, White-Collar Crime Penalty Enhancement. Title X, Corporate Tax Returns. Title 11, Corporate Fraud Accountability. The Digital Millennium Copyright Act, DMCA. The DMCA is an American copyright law that implements two 1996 treaties from the World Intellectual Property Organization, WIPO, the WIPO Copyright Treaty, and the WIPO Performances and Phonograms Treaty. The Federal Information Security Management Act, FISMA. The Federal Information Security Management Act of 2002 was enacted to produce several key security standards and guidelines required by congressional legislation. The FISMA provides a comprehensive framework for ensuring the effectiveness of information security controls over information resources that support federal operations and assets. General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR. The General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, is one of the most stringent privacy and security laws globally. Though it was drafted and passed by the European Union, EU, it imposes obligations onto organizations anywhere, so long as they target or collect data related to people in the EU. Data Protection Act 2018, DPA. The DPA 2018 sets out the framework for data protection law in the UK. It updates and replaces the Data Protection Act 1998 and came into effect on May 25, 2018. It was amended on 1 January 2021 by regulations under the European Union Withdrawal Act 2018 to reflect the UK status outside the EU. Thanks for watching Networks Professionals.